Hello everyone, how's it going? I'm Fede Baronti and welcome to this new Deiser Connection vlog, video, however you want to call it. Okay, so for today we have two different sections. The first one is going to be news and we're going to talk about events, the event season that it's all about Atlassian ecosystem, Atlassian apps, etc. And then we're going to talk about a few use cases that we wanted to show you. Okay, so in our first section, we wanted to talk about the event season. We already had an event going on in Belgium. It's the ACA Group Team Up 23, which we couldn't attend, but I believe that everyone missed us as much as we missed them. So hopefully everything went well. We can see in social media, different social media, that everything went really well. So hoping to be there next year. And today we wanted to talk about two new events that are happening in a matter of 20 days. Right here, follow me. Okay, so the first one is going to be held in Rotterdam, and it's going to be held by the Atlassian Community in Rotterdam. And it's going to be called the Enterprise Dam, the Charity Takeover. It's going to be held on October 5th, and there's going to be a lot of stuff going on during just one day, okay? People are going to talk about cloud migration, enterprise agility, ITSM, and the Atlassian community. There's going to be people from the Atlassian community. We're going to be there sharing knowledge about Atlassian, and there's going to be more than 30 sponsors, and it is expected that 250 people attend the event. Okay, this is a really cool part, but there's also there's a really cool part, you know, and it's all about the speakers, you know, and we're going to have at least 3 talks and 1 workshop. The first talk is going to be from Scott Farquhar, the Atlassian co-founder. It's going to be a really cool opportunity to know a little bit more about Atlassian. Then there's going to be Sven Peters' talk. He's a DevOps advocate from Atlassian. We know him, we have seen him around doing different talks in different Atlassian community events, etc. And it's all about DevOps. He's a DevOps advocate. Then there's going to be a talk from Steve Rhodes, Enterprise Atlassian veteran. So we're really looking forward to seeing that. And then there's going to be workshops held by Zoe Kit Chiam. So we're really looking forward to seeing those talks. And this amazing event will be hosted by no other than our friend Fam and Andy. We're really looking forward to meeting you there, and Laura Holton, who I haven't met but will be able to meet her there. You know, I'm really looking forward to seeing what the event is all about. Okay, so moving on to the next event, and the other event is the Jira Day 2023, which is going to be held in Krakow, Poland, and no other than Deviniti organizes it. There's going to be a lot of people from different parts of the world, and there's going to be a lot of tracks. For example, there's an ITSM track, an Atlassian empowerment track, and a demo track. In the demo track, you'll see a lot of different people that you already know. For example, this guy right here from Deiser, he's going to show you how to manage your project expenses and costs with Budgety, their new app in Deiser. I don't know who this guy is, but he seems cool. You know, there's people from K15T, the Cadiz is going to be there. There's going to be a demo from Charlotte from Elements. That this is going to be really cool. The guys from Resolution are going to be there, Jaime and Bjorn, and there's going to be a cyber media demo from Clara Roder. It's going to be really cool. There's a lot of people that we already know. So there's going to be 2 days of a lot of knowledge. This is only an example, and this is only the demo track for the first day. So imagine what there's left for the second day. It's going to be really cool. So we really recommend that you go ahead and check that out too. And we'll talk about these 2 events, the Rotterdam event and the Krakow event, in our social media, and we'll record some videos, you know, and we'll create a video, and we'll show a really cool video about what was happening there, and we'll talk about different solutions and different knowledge about the Atlassian ecosystem. Let's move on to the next section, okay? The use case section. So moving on to the next section of this video, we wanted to show you one of the use cases from automation and Projectrak. This case comes from several clients that asked us how they can identify different projects as team managed or not team managed. We help them setting up an automation rule which is not difficult. It might have a little bit of pre-knowledge about APIs, about access tokens, etc., etc. But let me show you. Okay, so right here we have the automation rule. This rule will execute every time that a project is created. Then it's going to send a web request in order to provide information, to get information about that project, and then it will compare two values in order to check what project style it is, and then it's going to send more information about the Projectrak JWT, the Jira token. Then it's going to create a variable, then another web request in order to get the information from that project to see if it's team managed or not, and then then another variable, and then the setup, the post. Okay, is going to post that information in the project. It's not that difficult. You might be seeing a lot of web requests right here, but it's not as difficult as it seems. And please do not forget that this information will be shown right beneath the video as soon as it is posted in YouTube. Okay, so don't worry about it, because you'll have all the information. You can see that the web requests are almost the same as the web requests that we showed before, and you will be able to set them up quite easily if you follow the steps that we will provide beneath the video. Okay, so now we're going to try and launch the automation rule. Okay, so we're going to create a new project. We're going to make it a Kanban project. We're going to use a template. Okay, and we're not going to make it team managed, because we want the field. We've already created a field in Projectrak that will allow you to see if the project is team managed or not. We are going to select that the project is a company managed project. So let's check it out. So we'll name this project Project X. Let's create the project. So as soon as the project is created, the rule will be launched. Let's give it a few seconds. The data should be already be posted in the project. So this is a new project. It's empty. It's mostly empty, but there's two fields that are completed: the lead and the team managed. Is it team managed? No, it's not team managed. So this is we know that the rule has run correctly. So again, if you need more information, check the links below. I really hope that this helped you, and if you need more information about automation rules, not only for Projectrak but for other different reasons or other different use cases, just let us know, because we can share that knowledge, and we're eager to share that knowledge. We will share more automation rules and automation use cases, so don't worry. You will see more, and you'll be able to do crazy stuff. Not crazy stuff, but really useful stuff. And automation is a really good tool in order to save some time, and do repetitive tasks that you do every day, and you're gonna be able to tell automation to do those tasks for you. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you next week, and I hope that you have a really good weekend. Bye bye.